The question is that Dr. NTR University Health Science Amendment Bill 2022 be taken into consideration. Those who are please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it, the motion is carried and the bill is considered. I shall now put the class to vote. There are no amendments to class 2, class 1, enacting formula and long title, and they are before the House. The question is, those who are for class 2, class 1, enacting formula and long title, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it, class 2, class 1, enacting formula and long title do stand part of the bill. I shall now request the Minister for Health, Family Welfare and Medical Education to move the motion for passing the bill.
I beg to move that the Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences Amendment Bill 2022 to be passed, Adhiksha.
The question is that the bill be passed. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. Yes, have it. The motion is carried and the bill is passed. I request the Minister for Agriculture and Cooperation to move on behalf of the Chief Minister the motion for leave to introduce the Andhra Pradesh payment of salaries and pension and removal of disqualifications amendment bill 2002. Minister Garu.
Speaker sir, on behalf of Honorable Chief Minister, I request to move for leave to introduce the Andhra Pradesh payment of salaries and pension and removal of disqualifications amendment bill 2022.
Motion moved. The question is that the Andhra Pradesh payment of salaries and pension and removal of disqualifications amendment bill 2022 be introduced. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it. The motion is carried and the bill is introduced. I request the Minister for Agriculture and Cooperation to move on behalf of the Chief Minister the motion for taking into the consideration of Andhra Pradesh payment of salaries and pension and removal of disqualifications amendment bill 2002. Minister.
Speaker sir, I request to move that the Andhra Pradesh payment of salaries and pension and removal of disqualifications amendment bill 2022 be taken into consideration.
Motion moved. The question is that the Andhra Pradesh payment of salaries and pension and removal of disqualifications amendment bill 2022 be taken into consideration. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it. The motion is carried and the bill is considered. I shall now put the class to vote. There are no amendments to class 2 and 3, class 1, enacting formula and long title, and they are before the House. The question is, those who are for classes 2 and 3, class 1, enacting formula, long title, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it. Class 2 and 3, class 1, enacting formula and long title do stand part of the bill. I shall now request the Minister for Agriculture and Cooperation to move on behalf of the Chief Minister the motion for passing the bill.
I request to move that the bill be passed, sir.
The request is that the bill be passed. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it. The motion is carried and the bill is passed. Yes. I request the Minister of Revenue, Registrations and Stamps to move the motion for leave to introduce the Andhra Pradesh Land Titling Bill 2022.
Introduce the Andhra Pradesh Land Titling Bill 2022.
Motion moved. The question is that the Andhra Pradesh Land Titling Bill 2022 be introduced. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it, the motion is carried and the bill is introduced. I request the Minister for Revenue and registrations and stamps to move the motion for taking into consideration of the Andhra Pradesh Land Titling Bill 2002. Minister.
Sir, I beg to move that the Andhra Pradesh Land Titling Bill 2022 be taken into consideration.
Motion moved. The question is that the Andhra Pradesh Land Titling Bill 2022 be taken into consideration. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it. The motion is carried and bill is considered. I shall now put the clause to vote. There are no amendments to class 2 to 69 schedule, class 1 enacting formula in long title and they are before the house. The question is those who are for classes 2 to 69 schedule, class 1 enacting formula and long title. Please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it. Class 2 to 69 schedule, class 1 enacting formula and long title do stand part of the bill. I shall now request the Minister for Revenue, Registrations and Stamps to move the motion for passing the bill.
Sir, I beg to move that the bill be passed.
The question is that the bill be passed. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. As have it. The motion is carried and the bill is passed. I request the Minister for Finance and Planning and Commercial Taxes to move the motion for leave to introduce the Andhra Pradesh regulation of appointments to public services and rationalization of staff pattern and pay structure amendment bill 2022.
Adhyaksha, I request to move for leave to introduce the Andhra Pradesh regulation of appointments to public services and rationalization of staff pattern and pay structure amendment bill 2022.